So why do businesses close? Well, there are tons of reasons, but the basic one is there's more money going out than coming in. Sometimes it's a business ignoring marketing because everything is fine until a downturn takes away 50% of their business and they're really unprepared to fight for the additional 50%. Sometimes it's a business that simply like doing things the way they'd always been done because we're in a business that has to be done this way, until someone came along and disrupted that market. Don't believe that can happen to your company? I'll send you some case studies, like these little companies like Uber, Home Depot, Walmart, and Amazon. I hate to see this happen, and I'm a firm believer that can be avoided. Here are 5 hacks that can help your business be around next year. First, love thy neighbor. Do you know all the businesses on your street or in a 1-mile radius? Have you talked to the owners? Have you set up formalized referral programs? Have you visited? What can you do for them or even with them, maybe free? What could you do for free in your business that you could offer your neighbors or their customers? You could set up a monthly lunch group with other owners and maybe talk about all the things going on to help each other. Everyone wants more and better customers and has local issues. Even if you've been around for 5 years, it's not too late. Go talk to your neighbor. Keep social social. Okay, every company has a Facebook account, I get it. Nobody will care about you unless you put them first. Don't just put up sales and specials like I see so many people doing. Like and comment about other people's posts and what's important to them. Get on groups your potential customers are in and contribute. Oh yeah, and I remember when you started all this, no one told you how much time it was going to take. I know. You might have to get help because now social media is critical to a lot of businesses. Now, don't try and shortcut this with one of those $100 a month, we'll post everything services. If you only have $100, take the money and put it towards Facebook ads or buying lunch for a group of others who can give you referrals. Now, shine those shoes. Image matters. From your website to your vehicles to your clean windows, it all matters. Does your website say, "We can't be bothered"? Do your vehicles say, "We're going to take shortcuts on your job"? Now, do your business cards say, "I've got a great brand"? Or do they say, "Office supply store sale and I'm cheap"? Does the inside of your store or office say, "I'm not invested in business"? People really notice this stuff and totally won't say anything, but they won't be repeat customers either. My company does a free image audit for companies using staff and secret shoppers, and you would not believe the feedback we get and how surprised owners are when they hear the feedback, both good and then presented with growth opportunities. Next, make mobile easy. Google Places, review sites, hours, specials, it all matters. Tell them what you do and when you're willing to do it. Mobile is huge nowadays. Emails and websites are opened on mobile devices more than half the time people view them. Make sure you have complete control over your Google Places page and have entered all the information correctly so that people can know how to do business with you more easily. It's simple. Next, be the leader. Show you're the leader by delivering content to the masses that actually helps them. People inherently understand that if you give away a lot of information, you're not giving it all away, and you're likely pretty smart. Use the latest technology, stuff like proximity marketing. It's super cheap and it's cutting edge. Doing things like pushing your payment processors to hook you up with new technology. If that one person is able to pay with their watch, you just made it easier for them to come back with more money and maybe more friends and maybe show off a little bit. Okay, that's it for now. If you ever want any help with marketing, go to themostleads.com. and sign up for a free strategy session. It's really free. I won't get sold anything, and we promise you'll get something out of it. Thanks for watching. I'm Eric Cox.